Everyone, thanks for checking out our video today at the Auto Connect. Here we have a 2014 Audi Q5 Premium Plus Quattro 2.0 turbocharged engine. We just serviced it. Really nice car. Comes with a roof rack on it, leather, nav, backup camera, Bluetooth. 2014, definitely way ahead of its time. Still drives like new, only 84,000 miles on it. All she needed was an oil change when she came in. Check out the interior. It's like in excellent condition, interior and out. Nice leather, big panel roof with the sunshade, heated seats, push button start, multi-zone climate control, nav. We'll go ahead and start her up. Has 84,458 miles. See here, really nice car. Something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any repair needs, you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, give us a shot. We also have a repair shop. Thank you.